Okay, so I looked up your thing here, and I'm looking at it right now. And North Carolina, more than 100 million for 77,000 survivors. If that's the case, then where'd the money go? Why does no one ask these questions? If they gave them that much money, why were they still living in tents? Why did it take Vance and other government officials to get in there 4 days into the administration and get everybody housing and what they needed? And Biden seemed to do nothing. Why were these people still living in tents if they got $100 million worth of aid? According to the White House archives of Biden-Harris administration. Where'd it go? So this is the question you have to ask. Where'd it go? Why were people living in tents? I couldn't find the comment, but there was a person in my comment section on this video that said that they live in that area and they didn't get shit. Now, from what I can tell from other research that I was looking up, a lot of it went to infrastructure, bridges, roads, stuff like that, so people could get around. But that doesn't tell me that people got money. As far as I know, they only got $750 if they qualified. And that's from the mainstream media. Don't you think that the media would have put this out if that 100 million actually got to the people? Ask what happened to the money. Because, like I said, people were still living in tents when J.D. Vance showed up. So until you figure that part out, as far as I'm concerned, this is just for show. I mean, you can come on here and tell me, well, they gave money for this, they gave money for that. They didn't give billions, first of all. That was your original comment. So 100 million went to North Carolina. What happened? What happened? Why were there people in tents? Why were people not in adequate housing when they showed up? Ask those questions, because the media sure as shit didn't. Booyah.